Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Okay, so I don't know if I'm the only one with this problem, but since I've been having to wear the paper surgical masks at work for 10 to 12 hour shifts for the past couple months, my face has been breaking out so much. I've just got like these little red bumps, like dry bumps all over my face. Which I do usually get those in the winter time a little bit, but I don't normally get it in the summer, and this is worse than what I get in the winter, and I think it's just from the paper, like, being abrasive on my face all day long. So anyway, I made a sugar scrub in the past. It's been a while since I made one, but I figured I'd go ahead and try it again. I'll show you guys how I make it to help exfoliate and moisturize my skin at the same time. So all you're gonna need is some brown sugar and some olive oil. So all you have to do is take 2 tablespoons of your brown sugar, it smells so good. Okay. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to start with 1, and then I will probably need to add in a little bit more. So there's 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then you just need to mix it up with your spoon. Get it to the consistency that you like. You might want to put a little more or less olive oil. So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to this, but not too much. I don't want 2 tablespoons. I think that would be too much, but just a little bit more. Just like that. Okay, so now it's looking like this. So it's kind of like a little paste for your face now. Gonna put, let's see, like that. I feel it already exfoliating a little bit, and it's feeling more moisturized. So you can go ahead and take this and apply this to your face and just lightly scrub it on your face for about a minute, and then rinse it off with water. And then if you want, put on one of your moisturizers, and that should be it. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you, I just used my scrub. As you can see, I do have, like I was talking about, all the red bumps and stuff. They're obviously still there. You know, I just used it the one time. I don't know if you can tell, but already my skin feels so much better from just one use from this scrub. My skin has been like having white flakes on the sides because those masks have just been like tearing up my face. And it just feels so smooth. I didn't even put lotion on or anything. All I did was that sugar scrub very quickly and rinse it off. And it just feels so much better already. So you don't need to go buy an expensive exfoliant if you don't want. You can always make it at home. This didn't cost me anything. I just got it from my kitchen, from my normal baking ingredients that I have. Yeah, so it just I feel like you can see like a little bit of a glow already just from like the olive oil and from being exfoliated. Okay, so let me know if you guys like these type of like home remedy videos. I don't really hardly ever buy like face scrubs or anything like that at home. Like I prefer to make my own. So I do know how to make a few different things. So if you guys would be interested in me sharing that type of stuff on my channel, let me know below. Otherwise, please like, comment, subscribe if you like my content. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.